Friends, Huawei Mate 40 comes with Android 10 EMUI 11, but there is no Google Play services and powered by Kirin 9000E 5G processor with 3.13 GHz octa-core and GPU Mali G78 MP22. Whereas Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max comes with Android 10, MIUI 11 and powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor with 2.3 GHz octa-core with GPU Adreno 618. If we see the display of this device, you can find 6.5 inches screen size with OLED Full HD display that comes with a resolution of 2376 by 1080 pixels with 402 ppi pixels density and also comes with IP53 dust and splash protection. Whereas Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is 6.67 inches screen size with IPS LCD display that comes with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels with a 395 ppi pixels density and also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 screen protection. Talking about the internal memory, then Huawei Mate 40 is available in two variants. One is 128GB and other is 256GB, but both are available with 8GB RAM and also supports nano memory up to 256GB. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in Mystic Silver, White, Black, Olive Green and Sunflower Yellow colors. Moving on to Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, it is available in different variants of primary storages, that is 64 and 128GB ROM with 6GB RAM, and the other combination is 128GB ROM with 8GB RAM and also supports dedicated micro SD XC slot. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in Aurora Blue, Glacier White and Interstellar Black colors. If we talk about the dimension of Huawei Mate 40, it measures 158.6 by 72.5 by 8.8 mm of height with thickness or 9.2 mm of leather bag and 188 grams of weight with hybrid dual nano SIM option. This phone comes with front and back glass with aluminium frame. Whereas Redmi Note 9 Pro Max measures 165.5 by 76.7 by 8.8 mm of height with thickness and 209 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option. About the camera, then Huawei Mate 40 comes with triple 50 plus 8 plus 16 megapixels primary camera setup with 1.9, 2.4 and 2.2 apertures with wide angle telephoto ultra wide and 3x optical zoom PDAF depth sensor Leica optics technology with LED flash panorama and HDR. It shoots out videos of 4K at 30 or 60 frames per second while Full HD at 30, 60, 120 and 240 frames per second and also equipped with 13 megapixels secondary camera with 2.4 aperture with ultra wide lens and it can record video at 4K and Full HD at 30 or 60 frames per second. Moving on to primary camera of Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, it comes with quad 64 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 megapixels primary camera setups with wide, ultra wide, macro lens and depth sensors with PDAF. It shoots out videos up to 2160p at 30 frames per second and also equipped with 32 megapixels wide angle lens secondary camera that can shoot the videos up to 1080p recording at 30 frames per second. Friends, in Huawei Mate 40 you can find under display optical fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like gyroscope, compass, accelerometer, proximity, color spectrum. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth, hotspot, NFC, GPS, infrared port, USB Type-C with USB on the go, fast charging at 40 watts, fast wireless charging at also 40 watts. This phone is powered by non-removable 4200 mAh battery as well. Whereas in Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, you can find side-mounted fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like gyroscope, compass, accelerometer and proximity sensors. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS, infrared port, FM radio with recording, Type-C reversible connector and fast battery charging with 33 watts that can charge the device 50% in 30 minutes. This phone is powered by non-removable 5020 mAh battery as well. So that was the quick comparison of both the smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.